Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2018 Aston Martin DB11? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Front fuse boxes. The primary engine fuse box in the 2018 Aston Martin DB11 protects key electrical systems like the engine control unit, ignition, and fuel system. It ensures safe operation by preventing overloads and short circuits in these vital components. The instrument panel fuse box in the 2018 Aston Martin DB11 controls circuits for interior electronics like the dashboard, infotainment, lighting, and climate control. It safeguards these systems from electrical faults or overloads. The right engine compartment fuse box in the 2018 Aston Martin DB11 houses fuses for components like cooling fans, sensors, and engine auxiliaries. It helps manage electrical load and protects against circuit failures. The right power hold system maintains power to essential systems, like windows or infotainment, temporarily after the engine is turned off, ensuring uninterrupted operation until the doors are opened or a timeout occurs. The left engine compartment fuse box in the 2018 Aston Martin DB11 contains fuses for systems such as lighting, emissions control, and engine-related components. The left power hold function keeps power active for select left-side components after ignition is off, allowing continued use for a short period or until the vehicle is accessed again. Rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box in the 2018 Aston Martin DB11 manages electrical circuits for rear-end systems like tail lights, fuel pump, rear defogger, and trunk functions. It provides overload protection to ensure safe operation of these components. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low-profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions, disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.